Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress locally on your computer with Xampp. Now head to Apache Friends and download Xampp based on your PC, either Windows, Linux or Mac. Now the link will be provided in the video description. So choose based on your PC and then download. Now install after downloading. Now select the components you want to install. So for a WordPress site, you won't really need a lot of this. What we need is an Apache, MySQL, PHP but you could still select all, it doesn't cost anything. Now click on next and then set a folder you want to install Xampp. So install it wherever you want. So let me just create a new folder in one of my drives. So let's call this Xampp. And this is the folder we are installing it. Now click on next. Select the language, next, next, next. It's now installing. Give it some time and everything will be good to go. Now start the program after installing. Welcome to Xampp control panel. Now start Apache and MySQL. So let's confirm if this is actually working properly or we need to do some adjustments. Start and start MySQL as well. Allow access. Now your antivirus may interfere with this, so you can disable your antivirus while using this. Open your web browser, preferably Google Chrome. Now you should be able to test your local server is working by going to http localhost / and then hit enter. Now if it opens up like this, then your local server is running properly, and if it doesn't open up like this, then you can follow up the installation process. Maybe you did something wrong. Now you have a functioning Xampp server on your computer. So now let's install WordPress. Go to wordpress.org and download the latest version of WordPress software. So the latest version is 5.9.3, so download. So this is my WordPress file which I just downloaded. Now locate the folder where you installed Xampp. For me, I installed it in Windows 11D drive. This is my Xampp. And then locate htdocs. This is more like public_html on your normal cPanel file manager. So open htdocs and then create a new folder. So let's call this web. Okay. Now extract the WordPress file in this folder. So let's copy the WordPress file. htdocs web and then extract the WordPress file in this folder. Okay, so paste, right click and then extract. So our zip file has been extracted. Now open the new folder and then copy all the extracted files. So cut it, Ctrl X, and then head back to our web folder and then paste it there. Now you can delete the zip file and the extracted WordPress folder. So delete both of them. Now we have to create a database for our WordPress site. So head back to your Xampp control panel. Now you can see admin under MySQL. So click on admin. So this will open localhost once you click on admin. Now click on databases and then create a new database. So let's call this test site and then click on create. Unlike installing WordPress on a live web server, you don't need to worry about creating a database user. Now let's open a new tab and then head to http:/localhost/ the name of the folder where you extracted WordPress. In my own case, I use the folder web. So this is the folder and then enter. So you can see this is our WordPress installation, just like the normal cPanel WordPress installation. Now let's proceed. English, continue. Let's go. Now the database name is test site. The username is root, so set it to root. And the password field, clear up everything and leave it empty. Database host is localhost, and the table prefix, you could still leave it like this, it's okay. And then click on submit. Now click on run the installation. Now enter a site title, demo site. Username, let's call admin. And the password, well, let me copy this and keep it in my notepad. And then an administrative email, demo@example.com. Make sure you use an active email. Now install WordPress. Okay, so our WordPress installation is completed. Now we can log in and also view our site. So let's log in. Now log in with your admin details, which is admin, and the password which I copied, paste, and then log in. We are now on our WordPress site installed locally on our computer with Xampp. Now let's view our site. So you can see this is our demo website, our brand new WordPress site running perfectly on our local server. So you could install plugins, themes, and everything basically. So these are the two plugins by default. You could add a new plugin. You could also upload your own plugin and do a lot with this. I will upload more videos on Xampp usage, so do check the video description and also join our Telegram platform with the link in the video description. If you watched to this moment and this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.